Hello everyone, my name is Kuroir. I am 15 years old. I study at the same school. I'm going to talk about Goldrix and Three Bears. Please wear a mask.
Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name was Goldrix. She had golden hair. One day Goldrix was walking in the forest. She saw a house and knocked on the door. She went inside. Nobody was there. Goldrix saw 3 bowls on the table. She was hungry. This produce too hot. This produce too cold. This produce just right. Goldrix ate all the porridge. Goldrix was tired now. This chair's too big. This chair's too big too. This chair's just right. But the chair broke. Goldrix was very tired. She went upstairs. This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right. Soon the bears came home. Someone's been eating my porridge, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said Mommy Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge and it's all gone, said Baby Bear. Someone's been sitting on chair, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been sitting on chair, said Mommy Bear. Someone's been sitting on chair and it's broken, said Baby Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Daddy Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, said Mommy Bear. Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there, said Baby Bear. Goldrix woke up and saw 3 bears. Help! She ran downstairs and into the forest. She never came back again.